Hey guys, it's Owen, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the cheapest computer you can buy new. Now by cheapest I don't mean price, I mean upgradability and overall functionality of this computer. Let's take an in-depth look at it. So this is the HP 110 desktop PC with a Pentium G2030Ti and 8GB of DDR3 RAM. And it is truly one of the worst computers you can buy brand new. Now, there is a multitude of reasons, and I'm going to start with upgradability. In this system, you will not find any power supply. Okay, that's a red flag first of all. The next thing is that there's no PCIe expansion, so you can't add a graphics card into this thing. And the maximum supported CPU in this machine is an i3 3220T, which is truly an underpowered chip used for low cost servers and high efficiency machines. Now I got donated this by Hasty2008, who was using this for gaming before he got an Alienware desktop with an i5 and a GT 1050, which is a much better PC to say nonetheless. But we're now going to see how well this system performs, and to do that we're going to start by playing Garrys Mod. Now in this game we pulled an average of 16 FPS with a minimum of 0 and a max of 31. Now it's quite clear that the integrated Intel graphics really do not go well with Garrys Mod, and I would definitely not recommend this combination. Now next up we have Left 4 Dead 2, which pulled an average of 30 with a minimum of 19 and a max of 61. And this was an enjoyable experience to say the least. It really ran smoothly on here, with a few frame drops here and there, but overall ran perfectly. Now next up we have CounterStrike Source, which with every system this is going to look perfect and run smoothly. So we ended up pulling an average of 68 with a minimum of 21 and a max of 143. A very playable experience, I would say, at the high settings and 1080p resolution as well. Next up we have PUBG, which really took its toll on this computer. As you can see, we were running at the lowest settings and 720p resolution, and we pulled an average of 3 FPS, a minimum of 1 and a max of 5. But PUBG is a very poorly optimized game in the first place, so I really wasn't expecting much. Now we have Minecraft, which, to be honest, I wasn't expecting any less from this, as Minecraft is a very CPU bound game. Although for some reason when I put it into full screen mode it auto set to 1280 by 1024, so I don't know, I just went with it and wanted to see how the system would run, and we pulled an average of 69 FPS with a minimum of 13 and a max of 141, which is very playable in my opinion. Now conclusion time, and this is where I'm going to say I seriously do not recommend buying this computer. Unless you're just after a family computer, then go ahead, but you can get way better for a lot less money. I'm Owen, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.